Hello, everyone. Coach Carole here with you today. Why does family history matter? Why does it matter to me? Why does it matter to you and your family? In this livecast, I will focus on a few key points to help you with your family history preservation. This is the first part of a 3-part series. The key points that I'll cover in this first livecast are why genealogy and how does genealogy provide an important link to our past. Genealogy is a very popular pursuit. Some take it on for a short time and others for a lifetime. Perhaps you're familiar with programs such as Who Do You Think You Are or A House Through Time. Most of us conduct family history research to find our roots, to learn about our ancestors and the lives that they led. You may also be researching to find out who lived in your house. The first thing to do is to determine your why. Determine what and who you're looking for. Is it one ancestor, a family, or a whole clan? Is it a significant family event, an incident, or are you seeking to prove a fact or uncover a secret? Determine your why before you begin, and this will help keep you on track. Step 2, online research. This is the fun part. There are so many places to look, but it's so important that you know where you're going to be doing your family history research. Where are you going to look? If you're a genealogist, you will already know and use your favorite genealogy tools. If you're just beginning, then you need to find out where is the best place to find the information that you are seeking. It's a really important step. Know the places to look. Step 3, you'll need to be methodical and very organized. This is the key to your genealogy success. Being a detective is just one part of the pursuit. The next is to be a librarian and record what you find. Keep detailed notes, and this will help you avoid repetition and going down those rabbit holes. Preserving family history will involve sharing the stories of your ancestors. It'll be up to you to create these stories through your research. This is usually part of the why you're doing the research. The stories will have impact on generations to come. Your descendants will thank you for being a detective, a librarian, and a storyteller. The next step is to choose which story, which ancestor. You'll be in this pursuit for a while, and there'll be many stories to tell, so break it down into small steps. Choose which ancestor you want to begin with, and then focus on their story from their perspective, and fill in the gaps with your imagination. Then repeat, stir, and go back and repeat again. Step 5, what moment in time will you choose? Now that you've got an ancestor or a family selected, consider that moment in time. Is it an event? Is it a period of time in their lives? Use prompts from your own family to determine which story to tell. And then imagine what it was like for that ancestor in that time. What is the focus of your story or the point of view? This is a very important point and another step to your success in being a great storyteller. A good story will have more impact if it contains this focal point or a point of view. So you could use the why, what, where, when, and how questions in your mind to frame your story. You are seeking to engage with your readers. Is there a message, a lesson, or a memory to be shared or preserved? So determine the reason you are sharing this story at this time. I hope that you will understand more about why family history matters as you delve deeper into your research. I'll be back with part 2 later on, and I hope you have enjoyed this quick overview of why family history matters.